What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when you are unable to change the time or when your date and time options are grayed out on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Settings application. Under General, select Date and Time. In most cases, you should be able to enable or disable the Set Automatically option. This will set the time according to your time zone in case your device is able to locate you. If this option is grayed out, then you should first of all try to allow your device to use its current location to set the correct time zone. To do so, navigate back to your main settings and tap on Privacy. Here, under Location Services, scroll down and select System Services. Make sure that the Setting Time Zone option is enabled. If this is the case, then you should prevent your devices from sharing screen time information across other iOS devices, such as your Apple Watch. Back in your settings, select Screen Time. Here, disable the Share Across Devices option. In case this did not help you out, then an easy potential fix is to make sure that your iOS device is up to date. In your General Settings, tap on Software Update. Here, download and install the latest update in case there is one available to you. This will, in addition, restart all processes running on your devices, which can fix the issue when you're unable to change the date and time. Lastly, any restrictions, such as screen time app limits or parental controls, can prevent you from changing your date and time. In your settings, head back to Screen Time. From here, tap on App Limits and make sure to delete any limit which could interfere with you accessing your settings. In your Content and Privacy restrictions, you should also make sure that nothing is preventing you from changing your date and time. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.